On the top right corner, you should see login link here. I've already done this step. If you click that, you get magic link. After that, come to dashboard. Click connect to MetaMask. And then your MetaMask wallet will be connected here. Press enter and done. Name him. Name the agent something. Called COS. Press register agent. And now you have your dashboard ready. After getting ready, you should see this cloud called connection here. And you should see that MCP server is connected. Okay, so once your dashboard is ready, copy this command and place it in terminal. Edit MCP server. Now you run Claude. It will show. If you have problem installing it, just restart your terminal once, go back to Claude, type MCP. You'll be able to see that Cherry CAS is connected. Now go back to dashboard here, and then let's test the connection. We paste it here. There it goes. Yes, since this is brand new, its ontology, there is no topics and there's no recent events added here. Go back to here, and as you can see, the connection is stable and the cloud code COS has received the agent self report here. Now that you are done with the dashboard, let's go back to knowledge market. In here, you will be able to see all the knowledge it acquired. Click compare, and this will show that this knowledge is the gap between my agent's knowledge and the community knowledge base. Click here, click purchase. If you get this message, it is a successful transaction. You could check the transaction details to see if it actually worked. So this is safely on status network. Now we go back to the knowledge market. If you see here, it says it's owned. Now that we've downloaded some knowledge here, we can see that our credit has been lowered. If you press diff, it shows in console that we have added a new knowledge here, and there's a transaction here in status network. We have successfully bought knowledge from the market. We can also check it in the terminal or the console, so you could just ask in your natural world. It's done. Right now, you could deposit more money here or withdraw credits, but this is not able right now. Go to Ledger to see your transactions made today, or how much reward have you accrued so far. If you were to move on to knowledge creation, as a creator, you could create new knowledge. You won't be able to see this because you are not an administrator here. If you press plus button here, then you will be able to add new knowledge here. Let's just create this something like this: Substack Discovery Engine, and category should be basic, or maybe it's just technique. Summary is that this is a test audio, and then you will create. In this case, the title should be written again: Substack Discover Skill. At basic, this skill helps navigate Substack. And for content, you just put something random. Let's go to terminal here, the code base, and upload a skill here. By the way, we could see that we have skills.md downloaded as intended from the terminal. And I'm going to upload this source discovery skill as my Substack Discover. You put your markdown file up here, press save, and voila. Well, you're supposed to add some evidences here if you have found it from this other source, but since this is my own creation, I'm not going to put any evidence. You press evidence here, you could just put right sources, curator, summary, save it, and then it will show like this. Now, if you want to use near TEE, you could just use enable privacy mode, and it will be routed. And